Tell you this first session is going to be of mighty importance.
Bounce on you. So these two batters have now got them into a good situation, but from Sri Lanka's point of view, it's a fresh morning. They have to start again. So you got to bowl.
Yes, it was simple batting, yet so attractive to watch. And it was a simple plan. Play the ball on merit and not worry about what the pitch will do or can do. A delayed start, so let's see how the pitch will play. It has been benign. It hasn't really bit at the batsman. There's not
To score. Agha Salman, 61 to him. He's also got a half century the previous time he played here in Galle, but for the first time, Saud Shakil, a breath of fresh air. First,
hence allowed Pakistan with that wonderful platform of 120. Oh, starts off with a beautiful shot off the back foot, half cut, half drive. It's a tricky outfield, a wet outfield, but the ball still has travelled. I think this field will allow him to bowl a straighter line. I think he'll probably be forced to bowl wicket to wicket. Meanwhile, it's a no ball. Gone are the days where you could hear it early from the on-field umpire and be in a position to hit it hard. Once again, playing it late and tight defence to go with it.
I also had said before the test series, that's another no ball from Kasun Rajitha. Ball coming from Chris.
It's a good delivery. Did him for length.
And that's a better line if you...
There's the approach from Salman Ali Agha. First ball from the left armour, he sweeps it. So there's a certain game plan. Nice shot. Once again, didn't really lash at the ball, but still finds the fence. Excellent timing. So good at judging the length. And Pakistan trail now by 77 runs. Sri Lanka would feel that they are a wicket away. That's a good line to bowl. I've seen him to struggle at times with extra bit of bounce, and he's nearing 100. Oh, and that's a lovely shot. Using his feet, not allowing the bowler to settle down. That's an excellent piece of cricket. Took a little bit of risk, but I guess that's the theme that they've developed in this partnership towards that area. Square drives it for 4, even though the outfield is heavy, but that will rush and hit the fence in no time. Excellent shot. They're putting up a great show here. Undeterred by the situation. Pushed back, so an easy run can be had through square drive, through that cover area.
When he's using his feet, you can see the ball go in with the...
See, that's the shot that they've played extremely well. That's supposed... Easy run. Mid-off's pushed back.
Ramesh Mendis, what he's been working on.
He was picked or selected, Agha Salman, from ODI cricket, basically white ball cricket. He's had a tremendous record and good 150 partnership. Good things continue.
And these two guys, they've been very impressive, Tino.
Entertaining as well.
The way they've gone about. Here's another example. Just a little movement across to the offside. They've not been static.
This is good batting. It was the case of picking up the length early, getting into good position to place the ball into the gap on the offside. At the moment, they're fluttering. Oh, nicely done. Moves to 90. South Shakil with this boundary.
Well, you talk about them. They do get to these landmarks being their first Test match 100. They haven't batted like it's going to be their first. They've been in total control. They look like they...
Is using the angle at ease, the left-handed batsman. They are helpless, aren't they? And just a bit of room for Salman Ali Agha, and he used that room quite nicely. Waited on the ball, and now hits the ball on the up and into the gap. Should get the same result. Salman Ali Agha.
Pakistan. I guess the fact that Jayasuriya has decided to come left arm over the wicket to the right-hander.
Doesn't hold consistent line of length. Oh, was that an opportunity? Looks like it carried to the fielder. Sweeps the ball into the gap. And he's on 97 now, South Shakil.
We've seen that he will play the sweep shot.
Inside the line of that delivery. And he stayed inside the line of the delivery, and that's why inside edge. And still be able to pick up 2 runs. He'll be pushing hard. And that's it. Second Test match 100 for the young man, South Shakil.
And he gleefully raises his bat and salutes his cadres in the change room. Came in when the chips were down for his country.
Oh no. Very unlucky. Salman Ali Agha. Very unlucky. But that was a great stumping. Excellent stumping from Sothira. Silly. And Noman is the new man in. He has to support. Pakistan needs him to be there with South Shakil for at least an hour.
Pakistan went at 5.25. They were chased down 300 plus in Sharjah. The game looked like it was dead, but Pakistan had different plans. They give way to the vehicles from the right, or if there's space, go for it. How does it work?
You're a license. Oh, he's very clever. Got inside the line. It's off strike as well. The sweep in the gap. Playing with the drift. Ramesh Mendis was looking to loop it. The previous deliveries was also tossed up. This one slightly towards the leg stump. And South Shakil just try and change it up a little bit. They tried Dhananjay De Silva for a couple of overs. Nothing's really happened.